So what changed after the pandemic, and how can we fix any resulting problems that have ensued? The world has changed. The pandemic reshaped everything, from the way we work to how we interact, and even how we view our own well-being. But what exactly changed? And how can we adapt to fix the challenges that remain? Are there trust issues with our institutions that need addressing? One of the biggest shifts was how we work. Remote work became the new norm. While many embraced the flexibility, others struggled with isolation, blurred boundaries, and burnout. Offices were quieter, and commuting had become a distant memory for some. Then, there's the loneliness. Social distancing kept us physically apart for so long, and the emotional toll is still visible today. Mental health issues surged. More people are feeling disconnected, even in a world more connected than ever before. Education saw a drastic change. Schools moved online, leaving many students without the tools they needed to succeed. Unfortunately, the damage done to our children has yet to be fully realized. The education gap widened, and a generation faced challenges in learning, engagement, and social development. The pandemic highlighted the importance of health. We became more aware of hygiene, mental health, and our own vulnerabilities. But it also revealed cracks in our healthcare systems, with many still struggling to provide essential care for all. Some people no longer trust the medical profession, and this may have serious consequences for years to come. So, what can we do to fix it? First, let's address the work-related challenges. Flexible work schedules and hybrid models can offer balance, but clear boundaries are essential. Organizations must focus on employee well-being and set realistic expectations for productivity. The pandemic proved that many tasks can be done remotely. In some cases, productivity even increased, as employee happiness and satisfaction improved with less time and cost spent commuting to the office. When it comes to loneliness, we need to rebuild our social connections, whether through therapy, support groups, or simply spending more quality time with loved ones. Addressing mental health should be prioritized. Many of us became more isolated as we were forced to avoid social interactions. We need to try getting back to in-person social interactions as much as possible. To close the education gap, we must invest in accessible learning tools. Schools need better tech infrastructure, and we need more support for teachers. It's about ensuring every student, regardless of their background, has the opportunity to thrive. As for healthcare, we must continue to strengthen the systems that support us. Universal access to quality care is vital. Beyond that, promoting overall well-being, like encouraging exercise, better diets, and mental health care, will help us all live healthier lives. The pandemic showed us both the fragility and strength of our world. We've come a long way, but there's more work to do. By embracing change and prioritizing health, connection, and education, we can emerge stronger and more resilient than ever. Let's take what we've learned and build a better future together, while avoiding past mistakes. I thank you for watching.